happy llama, sad llama, mentally disturbed llama, super llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama, 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 llama. Who is this big llama starting all this drama? It's yes, I am that llama you despise with the.
Hello guys, I'm Galacticmoonz23 and I am the black and white llama. Just kidding, that's not even a thing. Hello guys, I'm Galacticmoonz23, the pink llama in the group. And I am in love with all things pink. Even this pinwheel and a tennis shoe. When the frick did I even get that? I see myself as a very generous person. So, first off, when I created this channel, I started off with 2 purple longs and like 3 bad longs and like 2 shorts. But now, if you wanna see, I only have these 2 spikes. The reason for that is I have given every one of the llamas, the pastel llamas, a short, and some other random people, short collars. Because I tried to get all of my llamas for short collars, just so I can give them all short collars. Because that's why I see myself as a generous person. Oh, wait. And as you could see, Fluffy the Stinky Bean, one of is the orange llama right here. As you can see, I gave her this green short. And then Blueberry, I gave a red short. Pretty short, yeah. Cheatleaf, I gave a short as well. And so on and so forth. So, I'm probably going to be doing a giveaway of these nerd glasses. So, if you guys want to enter your username, your status, and a positive note for everyone watching this video. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you liked that snazzy intro I made. So, yeah, bye guys.